If the washer won't fill at all, or only filled with cold water, or only filled with hot water, and you know that the water faucets are open, check the following parts: the water mixing valve, the water mixing valve filters, the water temperature switch, the water level switch, and the timer. For more information, go to the subscribe box on the right. Place your mouse pointer on the More Info link and click on it. When the page opens, scroll down to the next link and click on it. You will be taken to the page with more information on the subject. Or you could check our website at the following address: